Hi, welcome to our how-to guide on how to clean the detergent drawer on a Samsung Ecobubble Washing Machine. Obviously, it's located here at the top. Just pull out, press down the blue tab, pull out towards you, and it will lift right out. So now we're going to go over to the sink. So when you're cleaning it, you want to get a toothbrush and use it to remove the mould that's built up down there, at the back, and at the top there as well. Right, so let's bring the detergent drawer over to the sink. Oh, just about fitting now actually. We're going to lift this blue softer grate out. So the best way to do that is put a finger under the max lip, and a finger at the back, and pull up. Like that actually. As you can see, we're actually pretty mold free. I mean, it's been the machines I've been looked after, or they've just not, or they've been in an area where there's high limescale area. It's always been clean since I've had it. You can use a toothbrush. So like on the front there, over the max, or down the sides. Just rinse it round. I'll put that one to the side. I'm just going to pick it in the drawer. I mean, it's pretty clear actually, this. There's a bit of build up, as we can see. There's build up there. So we're going to use our toothbrush. Where's it gone here? Just clean that. Hot water down the hole, just to, because you can't actually get at it with a toothbrush. You might be able to get cotton wool buds, that might help. But hot water will just simply sort of melt out the build up. I'm just going to use the hot water just to rinse it off as well. Now, go on the back there. We're going to place this to one side. Now we're going to go back to the washing machine and clean out its actual drawer, the compartment that this actually sits in. So let's place the drawer back in. What we're going to also do is put this back in properly. So we're going to grab it, put this bit over this bit, and just push down at the back and at the front. There we go. So when we're putting it in, we want to line up here and here with here and here. So what you need to do is, if you notice, I'm going to put it in, we're going to lift it above this and here as well. There we go. Then we'll push back. Then I'm going to pull it back out, make sure it stops. There we go. Final thing you want to do is get a towel or a cloth, something, and just wipe down the front, the fascia of the drawer. And that's it. That is how to clean the drawer on a Samsung Ecobubble Washing Machine. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful to do your own at home. Thank you for watching.